My name is Hunt Boustead, and my company is Huntington Homes. We're based out of Bismarck, North Dakota. The entire vision for providing 55 and over housing for the City of Bismarck residents came to us about 2.5 years ago. And in order to facilitate progress on such a project, I found it important to connect with a good civil engineering firm, and that's when I got in contact with SEH. Oftentimes, as a developer, you find yourself in a situation that's difficult to understand, and SEH, the entire staff, makes it extremely easy to work through those situations. So where SEH, I think, excels the most is in assisting a developer with the difficult process of submitting a site plan for approval. And that includes stormwater management, best use of the land planning, surveying, landscape plans, and just the whole gamut of documentation that's required. Shortly after becoming a realtor, I found a need for housing, and as we began to grow into the vision for 55 and over housing, we found a lack of available land, because when you do 55 and over housing, we need to provide an association for snow removal, lawn care, exterior maintenance. All of these things need to come into play. And I found that most of the land available was just vacant parcels. So the obvious next step is to begin to do a small amount of land developing. And again, that's when we connected with SEH, and we've been working with them ever since. They've been so beneficial in answering all of our questions and helping us push these projects through to ultimately, again, solve what we feel is a shortage of the 55 and over housing in the community. We feel like we're solving a problem. We couldn't have delivered such a fantastically tailored product to the market without the advice and assistance of SEH. Just in terms of how the infrastructure is set up, in terms of just every facet of the process is perfect. The way the buildings face, think about it. It matters. As a young developer, you don't necessarily think about which way the buildings face on your site, but they do. They understand the business of being a home builder and a developer, and you can't get a better service than that.